I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong.
Sorry if I didn't get back to some of you guys today.
What I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Yeah, feeding time. She sucks. Sorry if I didn't get back to some of you guys today. Appreciate all interest, you know. As you can see, I'm just a one-man guy here. I fun and I take care of all these birds here myself. So, no time for games, playing games. You ask me for yellow legs, and you look like white legs, and so be respectful when you guys kind of message me. If I don't get back to you, then that's probably a reason why. Put my heart and soul into all this stuff. Some of the chicks out here on the outside. I'll feed all these guys up. So yeah, maybe I get back to you guys later. Thanks for you guys' interest. Got a few Kelso pumpkins in this one here. Small kind. This is you got it, 2 and 2 pumpkin hen. Super Kelso rooster. Looking forward to some good things out of this year. Just a few. Looking healthy. Hey, feeding time here, gang. So this is for my Black Friday on my story. That right there is one of my hybrid McRae's. And I thought of these my Mingus Dome. My big white Mingus Dome. So some McRae Mingus Domes. Plenty white legs here. Plenty roosters, strong the dome blood. I see one straight black, all domes. What a blessing. Alright. Did real good this year. I'm very thankful. I'm just trying to keep them healthy. You know? Stay blessed, everybody. Good luck out there. Here's one of my little bigger pens. You can see double feeders over here. Broiler starter with the medication inside for coccidiosis. And a little bit scratch going on right now. I got them on some medicated water. Hatches in here. No more hatches. Got my free crosses. Mingus Domes. Radio Grease. Radio Baits. I'm just about going through one bag of broiler starter a day, gang. $50, almost just about $50 a bag here in Molokai. So, yeah, I sell chickens, yeah. That's what I do. Some chicks coming along nicely. These are some 2 and 2 round heads with some yellow leg hatch. Bonnie Boy's yellow leg hatch. Cody Boom, which was the old Jimmy East. Hatch round heads. This one is 2 pumpkin. Hen. Oh no, sorry. La Romero hen with the pumpkin. And some sotas in here. See what happens. Guaranteed action. This is straight 2 and 2 round heads right there. Taking lobster fine. 2 roosters in there. Yeah, just a few. Shucks, I got plenty. Did really well this year.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.